Hey everyone, let's make chicken rice today. This is one of my all-time favorite dishes and it's gonna be pretty simple to make, trust me. And let's give it a go. So I'm using some jasmine rice over here. What we want to do is just to rinse till the water comes out clear, and then we're gonna soak it for a bit while I prepare the rest of the ingredients. So let's start with 4 chicken legs. The chicken leg has got like this layer of fat. Let's cut this part off. We're gonna salt it. This is really important to get all the flavors in. I'm gonna drizzle a bit of sesame oil to it. Leave it aside for about 5 minutes. So the next thing that we're preparing is the ginger, the stem part of the spring onion. Grab some garlic, roughly slice the garlic up. Remember the chicken skin that we have? We're gonna throw it into our wok that's heated up. Now we're gonna use this oil to saute our garlic, ginger and spring onion. Now let's throw in the garlic, the ginger and spring onion. Now that this is done, we're gonna be adding the chicken in piece by piece. So right now I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook. After 5 minutes, now the next part is we're gonna add in some water to create a stock. So I'm adding a chicken cube in so that it will bring out more flavor. Now let's close this up and bring this to a boil. Now I'm gonna take out the chicken and all of the aromatics. Now don't throw this away because I've got another plan for this in a bit. And now for the broth, I'm gonna take out 2 big scoops of this. I'm just gonna put that aside because that's my soup. The next thing that we want to do is put the rice in. Make sure you drain off all the excess water. Pour them all into our stock. And this will give your rice that delicious flavor, adding the chicken right on top of it. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. With all these aromatics left over, we're not gonna waste them. We're just gonna put them into a mortar. So after you pound them like a paste over here, we're gonna season this with some fish sauce. I'll be adding some sesame oil to bring out a nutty flavor. And then just give this a good mix again. Alright, so right now, I think our chicken rice is done. Now let's slice up some cucumbers. And last but not least, a chicken rice wouldn't be complete without some chili sauce. So we're gonna be using Mak Tok's sweet chili paste. I'm gonna garnish the rice with some spring onion. Let's add the soup. Try some chicken rice. Oh my gosh. Sweet chili paste, ginger garlic paste. Yum. I'm just gonna eat this. This is so good. Now, the chicken is so smooth. And the rice itself is so flavorful. Right guys, you really need to try this recipe out. It's so simple to make and it's super delicious. Try this out. If you got any questions or suggestions, just leave in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!